Hello everyone and welcome to GeoVigyan's YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting opportunity for all aspiring remote sensing and GIS enthusiasts. We are proud to present a comprehensive training program designed to explore the world of remote sensing, covering platforms, sensors, data processing methods, and applications. In this 5-day free virtual training, you will delve into the fascinating world of remote sensing, guided by none other than our esteemed instructor, Mr. Sabyasachi Kabiraj, Research Scholar, Department of Civil Engineering, Anna University, India. The training will be conducted from 9th to 15th of October 2023, starting at 8 p.m. and ending at 10 p.m. East, GMT plus 5:30, each day, right here on YouTube Live. We have 2 exciting training plans for you to choose from. Plan 1, completely free, participate in the virtual training only and receive a 5-day virtual training participation certificate upon attending at least 3 out of 5 classes. Plan 2, opt for the virtual training, free, along with the training test. The test fee is 99 rupees or $2.50. If you qualify for the test with a minimum of 60% marks, you'll earn a prestigious 1-week training attended certificate. The training test will be conducted online, and you'll have 30 minutes to answer 25 multiple-choice questions on 15th of October 2023, from 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. East, GMT plus 5:30. Remember, achieving a minimum qualification of 60% will earn you the 1-week training attended certificate. Don't worry, if you don't make it, you'll still receive the 1-week training participation certificate. Certificates will be distributed based on your chosen training plan and will take a minimum of 15 days to reach you after the training concludes. Now, for the important details. The training test registration fee for Indian participants is 99 rupees, and for participants from other countries, it's just $2.50. You can make payments through various methods, including UPI, Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm, Net Banking, and PayPal. All the details are mentioned in the registration form. The registration form link is in the description or visit geovigyan.com for registration. After registration, make sure to join the GeoVigyan Telegram group, link is in description, for updates and live class links. Participants who register for the training test will receive the test link via email. Hurry! The last date for registration is the 8th of October 2023. Don't miss this opportunity to learn from the best in the field. So, mark your calendars for 9 September and embark on a knowledge-packed journey with us. The world of remote sensing and GIS awaits you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you soon. Happy learning.